Hey there, sunshine. So welcome to another late night unboxing with Elizabeth. I feel like I should make this into a series. I really do, because at night I'm like calmer and quieter. So if you're somebody who prefers like these calm, quiet, kind of laid backs, a little bit more chill than my normal vibe unboxings, let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm totally down to do that. I might even bring back some of my old subscription boxes. Honestly, let me know if you want me to do like late night unboxings, and then let me know what boxes you would want to see in these late night unboxing series. Okay, so yesterday I got this huge box in the mail. Look at this. So basically Confetti Collection reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to review their box, and it wasn't until I clicked over and I saw one of their previous boxes that they sent out that I was like, oh, yes. Like, I literally have so many companies reach out to me to ask me to review their boxes, and I don't have enough time to review them all, but this box stood out from my email inbox and really, like, well, not this box exactly, but their past boxes really like just wowed me, and I was like, oh my gosh, yes. So this is my first ever exposure to Confetti Collection. So if you're ready for a fun time, well, I hope it's a fun time, but I think it's gonna be a fun time because the outside of the box is so pretty. Hop on board, because we're gonna try to open this box up. I don't remember pricing, but I will leave a link in the comment section and in my description box if you were interested. Don't remember pricing. I'm really bad at these things. I'm just here to enjoy the quality of the box. So yes. Okay, I see iridescent snakes, I see white snakes, I see bubble wrap, I see stickers, I see this is okay. First impression, my earring. First impression, this seems packaged pretty well. I don't even know like what the theme of this box is or anything like that, so I was kind of really hoping that there was a card. The first thing that I'm unboxing is a complimentary gift. Ooh. I kind of wish there was like a card or something for me to be like, oh yeah, that's what this box is, but I'm not even mad. Okay, I'm so excited to it. What is this complimentary gift? Oh my gosh, they're thank you cards. Oh my gosh, maybe I can send one of these to each of you. Like, anybody wants to be my pen pal, when I get your letters, I can send you one, and we can all be like cute pen pals with cute like packaged cards and pens and stuff like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's so cute. This is gonna be a hot mess, but that was really cute. Okay, so I don't think that comes with the box normally, but let's keep going. Okay, so I have this thing. Ooh. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna try and put this down, and we're gonna untry boxes. Okay, so there's a Confetti Collection sticker wrapped in pink tissue paper that I am tearing open. I see. Okay, wait. I see a card. Oh, I see camels. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't scream because everybody's sleeping, but I want to. So just know I'm internally screaming right now. Okay, I'm gonna pull out this thing first, because it's bubble wrapped and it's kind of just like hanging out. It's bubble wrapped, but I see camels through this, and I think this, like, you know, might be a wine glass or a juice glass. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's plastic. That's good news. I should not be trusted with glass. Okay, so we have like a yellow camel. Oh my gosh, can you guys see it? Oops. Let's tap the screen or turn down my brightness. I'm still trying to work out this nighttime lighting situation. So we have an orange camel, a yellow camel, and a pink camel. That is so cute. I can see myself like sipping on this, like outside, like ooh, in the pool, having a good old summer, because I can't wait to actually have one of those. So heck yes, I'm so excited about that. Yes, I don't ever get like cups or anything like that in any of my subscription boxes. Okay, I am kind of nervous that I'm gonna like miss something because there's so much like shredding it and stuff, so we're gonna have to have a dig through session to make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, and then inside of the pink tissue paper there's like a whole bunch of stuff, so let's pull that out. And then we have our camel cup, and I'm just gonna go through real quick and make sure we're not missing anything. Okay, here is everything inside of the box. Honestly, 100%, I am a little worried because that was a really big box, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm getting so much stuff. And then here's what we have. So I'm a little nervous because I really feel like I got my hopes up super high because the box is big, and I know that's really childish. But I'm always like, yeah, let's stuff in the big box and make, you know, good things. Okay. So it says Confetti Collection Surprise Best Day Ever box. I'm trying to pull it off to show you guys. This really is the best day ever because the box you've been waiting for is finally here. Get ready to create, inspire, enjoy, because we know you're gonna love it all. So this looks like party supplies. Oh, that's so exciting. Okay, here's everything that I just pulled out. So it looks like I have matching camel napkins. That is so fun. Okay, then there's like so many things here. I have pink ribbon, and then I have some pink bows. So I think that would be so cute on those cards. Not that I'm like the artsiest person around, but my like put a little bow on one of the cards. That would make somebody's day. This color me coloring notepad with a to-do list. Even better, it has a magnet on the back, so you can put it on your fridge and just like live your best life. Okay, what is this? Do what you love. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. Oh my gosh, look, it's got page dividers. Okay, do what you love in bright pink with a metallic gold heart, and then it's got polka dots, and then it's got page dividers, and then it's got little hearts. That is so nice. Literally, this will be, I was literally looking for one of these today at the grocery store. This will be so nice to have in my arsenal. Okay, I also got these 12 coasters, and then cross off incorrect guesses. Oh, double-sided tic-tac-toe and hangman games on these coasters. That is so fun. I've never seen one of them before. I wish I had friends so I could have a party and feel like a good person. Like, oh yeah, I just threw like the best party ever with these cute coasters. But honestly, it'll just be me hanging out with myself using these, but I wish I had friends. Okay, and then we have this best day ever gift bag. Yes, that is so cute. Heck yes, I am down for that. And then I also have this. So let's see what this is. It says color me coloring file folders. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look, you have little like file name. You can put these on like the file thing so you can identify what the folder is. And then you can color the folders. How fun is that? Okay, I was not expecting the stationery in this to be so freaking cute. Like, I'm normally not like, I'm not a 100% down like, oh, just buy me stationery type of girl. Like, I like fun pens. Notebooks, I feel like I have so many notebooks that I'm just like, oh, I have too many. But I feel like this stuff was really, really cute. And I loved all the like color, like the color folders, and I loved how this glass and the napkins matched, and I love the thank you card. I feel like this was so cute. The only thing that I wish was in this box was like markers or like something to color all of the color me stuff with. But overall, I thought it was so fun and so like different than anything that I honestly was really expecting. I will admit that it's not what I was 100% expecting to get, but that will be on my fault because it's not like I super researched the box. I just like clicked over, saw a couple cute pictures, and I was like, oh yes. But I do really like, I love this notebook. I really think that this and the file folders, I love the organization and useful stationery stuff. The only complaint, again, like I just wish that it came with like pencils or something to color it with. So that is it for my confetti collection unboxing. What did you guys think of this box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. What was your favorite product? I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.